can start it right now, or you can get the loss. I have clear proof. Clear proof, buddy. Start it now, or you get the loss. I'm telling you, I have such good proof. I have amazing proof. You don't even know, kid. The second it happened, I took proof. Are we playing or not? Because if not, I'm backing out. I don't really care. Yeah, I do. You're not gonna get the win from it. I'm telling you right now. I promise you. You have 6 disputes. You know how bad that looks to an admin? I have proof of your team with the 6 disputes. I already put in proof to the admin. Are you playing it or not? This is your last chance. I'm not sitting here screwing around with you, kid. Are you playing or no? Alright, well you have 1 minute, because I'm not sitting in here when I know I'll get the win. So I'll count down for you, and if you haven't started it in less than a minute, then I'm leaving. Because I have better things to do than sit here and argue with you when I know I'm going to get the win. Yeah. I already made the ticket. I have clear proof of me being up 4-3. It says 4 O Squish, 3 Diz Tank. No, that's not the rules, Zenny. That's not the rules for singles. Alright, my recorder right now is at 1.5 minutes. Once it gets to 2 minutes, I'm gonna tell you. And if you don't start it, I'm literally leaving. I don't care. As you can see, he's not starting up Express from 4-3. He would have to get 3 rounds, I would have to get 2 rounds. And then that would determine the winner. Alright, good luck, kid. See you later.